How to add contacts on your Splitwise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add contacts on your Splitwise account. So to do that, first of all, open the Splitwise app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Splitwise account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the option Add Friends on Splitwise. After that, you will be directly taken to your contacts page, where you can simply add a contact as your friend by choosing the contact which you want to add as a friend. So for now, I'll simply add this person right over here as my friend. After that, tap on the option next. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can edit information such as their name, their email address, or their phone number. But if you don't, simply tap on the finish option, which is in the top right corner of your screen, and there you have it. So that is basically how you add someone from your contacts as a friend on Splitwise. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.